It finally arrived. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ordered this yesterday. We're about to get serious with the YouTube, guys. Canon EOS 5 RC and a microphone. The Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. From now on, we're gonna have good audio. I'll do a review on this once I get it set up. The main item here, the Canon R5 C. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Open this up. This is the actual camera body, full frame camera. Wasn't expecting to be this compact. It feels very heavy in the hand compared to my old camera. For those of you guys that don't know, I do have a DSLR. I don't use it anymore. I started using my cell phone, which is what I'm recording this on right now. R5 C, the C stands for Cinema. Price, it doesn't come with any type of case. Pretty bare bones. Okay, we got our charging cables. We got our strap, battery. I read online I'm probably gonna have to get another one of these because they don't last that long. Instruction manual. And the charger. I'm pretty excited. I want to see how good this camera compares to using this cell phone or my old DSLR. Well, guys, I got the camera and I need to go get the stuff I need for the camera. New batteries, a lens adapter, an SD card. I don't know if the SD cards I have right now work with this, so I'm just gonna head downtown. Damn, getting a new camera is a lot of work. And then I still gotta figure out how to work this thing. But I think that the video quality with this new camera is gonna be insane. Car cleaned for the weekend.